So we're looking right now at the stair, which we started in the earlier video, and I'd like to recreate it so that it is large enough to basically service the gridded frame. The gridded frame has basically a 30-foot high space, and that's probably equivalent in most cases to 2 stories. It could be one very tall story, but it's more likely to be 2 stories. So I recommend for the Follies that you consider the gridded frame to be a 2-story space. Embed some kind of a horizontal plane into the gridded frame, and that we reach it by a stair. So I want to draw a line at that midpoint for my floor, and I can see that it's not snapping to the midpoint, so I'll want to change my O snaps, my object snaps, to include the midpoint so I can accurately select that location. So how many steps do I actually need? I can calculate this mathematically, or I can draw the stair with precision and calculate it that way. So let's graphically duplicate this, knowing that each of these steps is 7 inches, and I'm trying to rise to a height of approximately 17 feet. I'm going to first explode my stair, and I'm just going to go ahead, extend my stringer. Next, select the runs and rises and copy those. The riser in a stair is somewhere between 7 to 7.5 inches typically, and can go up to 8. So we can very easily just stretch this a little bit to meet the floor that we want. I'm going to select all my objects. I'm going to join them. And then I am also going to go ahead and extrude this. I'm going to make this my 10-foot stair. So now you have a stair that will reach halfway up. You could double it to reach all the way, and you can multiply it for several stairs. The last part of the Folly kit is to have a basic plane that you can manipulate to size, but you should have a plane in the X, Y, and Z. And I would recommend starting off with a 4-foot thick plate, which is 60 feet by 60 feet. So holding my Alt and clicking, pick my other rotation and hit 90. So now I've got an X, Y, and Z plane that I can use for any of the compositions. So let's build these little kits for our Follies and then have some fun playing around.